Since many of you have asked how I set up my monitor and also how I set up my desk, let me show you how I do that increases my productivity. This is my curved monitor. It's an LG Ultra Gear. I used to have two separate monitors, but one of them died. Literally, it was too old that it gave up. It wouldn't turn on anymore. So I upgraded to this, and I would have three screens on this long curved monitor, which I'll show you later on. And then this monitor is hooked up to my laptop right here, which is my fourth screen. How it looks. I have a standing desk where I can adjust the height of my desk right here, just a little bit right there for demonstration. And then I have my right mouse right here, which is ergonomically set up. I actually have two mice, if that's the plural for this electronic mouse. I have a left mouse right here, or left-handed mouse, and I have a right-handed mouse right here. That way I can ease the repetitiveness of using my wrist for my mouse. And it took me a while to teach my brain how to use a left-handed mouse, but it's so worth it. Now I do both left and right at the same time. I have my phone right there that has a time and also more calendar events. My alarm goes on when I have events because I set up those alarms beforehand. Timer right there when I need to time myself and make sure I'm not drifting away with my ADHD. And then I have just some post-it of analytics that I'm keeping track of. I have my two waters right there. I have my keyboard that is also ergonomically set up. It's wireless, so I can just move it everywhere. Need to clean it some more. Oop, I just scratched that. Then my mic right here. And if you're wondering what this little device is, it's one of my favorite. It's a mini keyboard. What I do is I program these keys with repetitive tasks that I use on my big keyboard. Specifically, if I want to screenshot a screen, I press this. If I want to copy something, I just press this. If I want to paste something, I just press this. And this is enter. This became necessary for me, especially when I started using AI, because I screenshot a lot of things as context for my AI. So I screenshot, I copy it and paste a lot of context as well, and then press enter so that when I put it somewhere, I can press enter really fast. And this is just volume for my monitor. And of course, I have my notepads and my different notebooks because I have ADHD, so I have a lot of notebooks. These are just some of the notebooks I put my notes in. By the way, this is super cheap. I bought this on Amazon for about $10, I think. Let me know if you want the link to this and I can share it with you. Let's move on to my full screen to show you how I split screen this for more productivity. This is my full screen. As you can see, it's split screen into three. On the right side right here is my ChatGPT. In the middle is whatever I'm working on. And on the left side is where I have Claude. As I mentioned, I have both Claude and ChatGPT opened up because I usually have them critique one another or compete with one another when I have certain tasks, because I'm AI agnostic, meaning I don't abide by just one AI. I see which one will give me the best answer based on the context. And then this is where I'm working on, and this is my community, Let AI Do It Lab. And if ever you want to know how to start or finish a task with your ADHD, I invite you to check out this AI task bridge. It's very easy to set up, takes about 3 minutes, no prompt, no download, and no new app to have to think about. So check that out inside our community, and you can also DM me here or post your questions whenever you want. I hope this gives you some ideas of how you can set up your own monitor and split screen to make it more productive, because context switching, meaning trying to switch from one screen to the other, is very challenging for our ADHD brain and slows us down. Hope this helps, and I appreciate you.